Hello and welcome to a beehiiv product feature update. Today we're going to be discussing our newest enhancements to be able to customize the email byline. Without further ado, let's jump into it. So to access the byline settings, you're going to go to Settings, Email Template, and you're going to go to Email Header. You're going to scroll down to Byline, and so that's going to allow you to edit this section right here. So you can check this to highlight, to underline or not underline. You can update the font color, and then make it bigger or smaller. That's the text. The avatar size is going to be the image itself. And then the vertical spacing will be the spacing that is above and below it. Font weight is just going to be the font weight of the author. And then you can make the date show up, and that'll be what uses the accent color. You can make it short, long, etc. That's how you're going to update your email byline. Thank you so much.